Creating a job card starts with the operator selecting the Stand Survey Allocation menu, the button from the CESMIS main menu, establishing a survey sheet job card for selected stands. The operator then pre-allocates the set of urban to an SMME to complete a site survey of materials requirements per stand for the job at hand. Press the survey allocation on the main menu. The first select screen in the survey process allows selecting a consortium partner if applicable, which is not the case here, as the only project owner is Mercado Projects. The following selector allows the data capture block to select the suburb from the list available. This list displays the suburb, indicating how many stands have been allocated and how many stands are still available to issue job cards. Select the desired SMME from a drop-down list of registered SMMEs, which is presented, allowing the clerk to select an SMME to allocate the group of survey sheets to. The clerk can issue as many survey sheet job cards as desired, but bear in mind the red warning message on the screen. A warning is shown in a tick box, which is pre-selected so that the clerk should not print all the survey sheets as a group, but rather individually after survey selection is complete, as the printer might jam, which would cause problems with the survey sheet allocation, skipping a processed survey ready for issuing to SMMEs for action. Also, a warning is shown in red on the screen not to select more than 30 sheets, which could cause printer spool overrun. After the selection is made, the clerk must press the OK Proceed button or cancel if you wish. A list of available stands will be displayed with a red X on the left side column. Click on the red X to select the stand for the survey, which will change the X to a right mark. If you choose the wrong stand, re-click to cancel the stand, and a red X will again appear. After you have selected the stands for the survey job cards, you may, if desired, export them to MS Excel for verification and then press the large button top right marked Process Marked Stands to generate the survey's job cards. This will create survey job cards for the selected stands and generate job cards for the job cards SMME allocation set to be advised status. Note the job integrity. It is not a good practice to issue a survey sheet and job card to the same SMME for integrity purposes, and the system will warn the operator if attempting such an operation. Select Job Card Manager from the menu, which will display the job cards allocated in the system. Clicking with your mouse on the scrolling portion on the column heading Create Date allows the display to show sorting by date, either up or down order. See that you scroll to the top of the list to see your newly created job card surveys, which is now you can print by clicking on the Site Survey JC button, which is the printer. The program will allow you to send it to the printer or to a PDF file if you need to email the survey sheet. The program always prints the screen so the survey sheet can be viewed before printing with the print button upper left hand of the printed sheet. You may also abort the print using the Print Abort button or pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. The Survey Job Card Return Processing. Click the Update Survey button on the Job Card Manager screen with the job card entry highlighted, and the Update Survey Data entry form for the selected job card will be then displayed. Carefully enter the data from the returned survey job card, taking careful note of the quantities entered on the job card as well as the stock item size. These selections, after completion of the form, will automatically book the material to the job card when the clerk clicks on the Complete Survey and Generate Survey Materials button on the form, as well as locking the state from being edited. In the case of non-completion, the OK button can be clicked to save the captured data in the interim. A tab selector on the upper portion of the form, Meter Gate Lock and SMME, allows the meter position, pipe size and length from meter to boundary fence and the gate lock events to be captured. This concludes the job card initiation process from the survey capture, and the job card becomes active. Note, once the Complete Survey button is clicked, the survey status becomes locked. If a survey has not been completed, the data capture clerk will receive an on-screen warning to the effect that a survey for the selected stand has not yet been completed, in violation of the process integrity. You have not completed the stand survey. Using the job card without completing the survey constitutes potential fraud. Please correct this immediately. The job card operations, printing and data capture is detailed in the job card operations training video. Thank you.